If you're in search of a high-performing frying pan that combines style, durability, and user-friendliness, look no further than this NutriChef 14-inch professional ceramic frying pan with lid. This extra-large skillet is a powerhouse in the kitchen, offering an excellent cooking experience for everything from frying and sautéing to preparing elaborate one-pan meals. With a sleek design featuring a golden titanium handle and a non-stick ceramic coating, this pan elevates both your cooking and your kitchen's aesthetics. In this detailed review, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and reasons why the NutriChef 14-inch ceramic frying pan deserves a place in your kitchen. Key features of the NutriChef 14-inch frying pan. 1. Superior build quality. Crafted from 2.5mm aluminum with an induction base, this pan promises exceptional durability. It's designed to withstand years of use without compromising on performance. 2. Large cooking surface. With a 14-inch diameter, this pan is ideal for cooking large meals, whether for family gatherings or meal prep. Its generous size allows you to cook multiple servings at once, saving time and effort. 3. Non-stick ceramic coating. The durable ceramic coating ensures that food doesn't stick, making cooking and cleanup effortless. This feature also allows for healthier cooking with less oil or butter. 4. Tempered glass lid. The included lid lets you monitor your cooking while retaining heat and moisture, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes every time. 5. Golden titanium handle. This stylish handle not only enhances the pan's look but also stays cool to the touch, providing a comfortable and safe grip during cooking. 6. Cooktop compatibility. Whether you're using a gas, electric, or ceramic cooktop, this pan delivers consistent results. Its induction base ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. 7. Easy maintenance. The stain-resistant ceramic surface ensures that food particles slide right off, making cleaning quick and simple. A gentle wash with dish soap and water is all it takes to keep this pan looking brand new. Why choose the NutriChef 14-inch frying pan? 1. Versatility for all your cooking needs. This pan is perfect for frying, sautéing, and even creating one-pan meals. Its large size and excellent heat retention make it a go-to for a variety of recipes. 2. Durability that lasts. Made with high-quality materials, this pan is built to endure heavy use, making it a long-term investment for your kitchen. 3. Stylish desi. The sleek ceramic coating and golden titanium handle make this pan as attractive as it is functional. It adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen setup. 4. Healthier cooking. The non-stick ceramic coating reduces the need for excessive oils, allowing you to prepare healthier meals without compromising on taste or texture. Real-life applications. For families. Cook large batches of pasta, stir-fries, or fried chicken with ease. The 14-inch surface ensures you have plenty of space for hearty meals. For breakfast lovers, whip up family-sized servings of pancakes, scrambled eggs, or breakfast sausages. For entertaining, impress guests with perfectly seared steaks or vibrant vegetable stir-fries, all in one pan. Conclusion: this NutriChef 14-inch professional ceramic frying pan is a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this pan delivers exceptional results. Its large size, non-stick coating, and elegant design make it an excellent choice for any home chef. Are you ready to transform your cooking experience? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this incredible frying pan yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.